Your Excellency, the Prime Cabinet Secretary and Cabinet Secretary, His Excellency Dr. Musalia Mudavadi, my friend, our partners, BBS, Sarit, and also Royal Media, I can see them there. We have partnered with you. They are here. And the rest of my team, which is here, I can see Kwendo Panga, Omondi is there, Matata, Kijana, Mugo, and Duncan, that's a graphic designer, and my spouse, that is Mejuma. She's also a director in this GVP. And MKU, thank you so much for coming, but Mugo will deliver our appreciation. Now, when we started this book, we actually approached the Prime Cabinet Secretary, and the idea that we have today is as a result of our Prime Cabinet Secretary. When we had a meeting with him, he said that we need to have this book, especially when he was appointed the Foreign and Diaspora Affairs. He is in charge of the image of this country, and we want to tell the people the story as it is. We want to give not a positive story or a negative story, but we want to give a correct story of our country. And this is the correct story. Sarit Center is tangible. BBS is tangible. MKU, you've heard from them. They have actually gone outside Kenya. That is very good. And the rest, I think we have done so well. So this arrangement of today is not by accident, it's by design. The chief guest, when we met with the teams, we looked at the date that we should actually launch this program, and we said that let us look at the day just before we celebrate our 61st year. Ni miaka 61, isn't it? We are celebrating tomorrow, and we say that a day before we celebrate that very important day, let us have the best of Kenya announced to the world. So it is not by accident that we're here. It is here. We are here by design, and we appreciate and thank you so much, our chief guest, for supporting this initiative. And when we approached these other people, our friends, they actually came up and supported us. They are supporting us. So on that note, I won't take much of our time. I want to take this opportunity first to give apologies to the people who are supposed to have been here. One, I think when the Prime Cabinet Secretary saw that we are not getting enough support, he decided, no, let me write another letter to these people to remind them that this thing is very important. And he did that immediately, and most of the Cabinet Secretaries reacted immediately to their parastotals. I think Energy is here also. Diana, yes, I think Cabinet Secretary for Energy and Petroleum, he called us for a meeting, and even Treasury also called us for a meeting, Transport. So we've been having a discussion as a result of the letter that actually sent. So we appreciate that. And even the input that we gave us that we need to have this launch today, just before the day we celebrate our Jamhuri Day. So that is one apology, and I think from Cabinet Secretary, it's not for me to give that apology, but I think he would very much have liked to be with us. That's why he's in the program, and he's with us. Again, I think there's Office of the President, I think also gave Abdul Masera, who was supposed to be here, but I think he has been called, and he is not able to be with us. So those are the people who are supposed to be with us, even Transport.